Historical events in the past often present their own stories that will always be remembered by the times. Not infrequently, there are major events that are revealed again, one of which comes from the Kerkhof Peutjut funeral complex in the city of Banda Aceh.
There are 24 graves of citizens of Jewish descent. This Jewish stamp can be seen from the pentagram and writing engraved on the headstone in Hebrew. Kohler was among the Jewish descent who participated in the Aceh War.
Thousands of names engraved on the Kerkhof Peutjut gate. On the wall of the gate, there are rows of engraved names of soldiers and the general who died at the hands of Acehnese fighters, complete with the year and location of their death. 50 crosses missing during the 2014 tsunami in Aceh. 26 December 2014, this area was badly hit by the tsunami. Says 15 crosses represent all whose grave or tomb was lost then.
On the four sides of the headstone there is a symbol of the Star of David and an inverted golden over ornament with a fire that seems to be burning, and a symbol of a temple cross and a snake coiled with its mouth biting the tip of the tile. Merah Kuko, son of the young Sultan Iskandar Muda, who was the king at the time, also buried in the place. He was buried separately from other royal families after being stoned by his father, Sultan Iskandar Muda. There is history that say this sentence was imposed because of an affair with the crown prince with a dead girl. Apart from the various versions of history that excite this event is the origin of the emergency of this burial complex.
Like the Aceh proverb uttered by Sultan Iskandar Muda, mate anu mepat jerat gaduh adat hanapatamita, which means when a child dies, we will easily find his grave, but when customs are lost, we will not know where to look.